I fight,
It's Mac.
I fight for my right, and I never give up. I fight to survive.
All of my nigga at mgbeats.co.za.
I fight for my right, and I never give up. I fight to survive.
They treat you different, assign you different. It's like that sometimes. You get hate being who you are. The story is more or less. Whether you got hope, you still get the worst. I know the story of the struggle to the streets and hustle. Mama told me worse. Never had a father, so everything mainly self-educate. Since my first day at preschool, hate is what I've been getting, so I play it cool. With children needing out, not just a failure, just a thought. Getting hard is the only thing to pull it through. To this jungle, you gotta stand tall no matter the circumstances. Fight for what you need. Let the spirit breakers be out to get your soul. Give them no chance, the future's yours for the taking.
I fight for my right, and I never give up. I fight to survive. Yeah, I fight for my right, and I never give up. I fight to survive. I'm ready, believe me, I'm ready now.
You know there's no help, but if you check it, all the help that you need. Shonda nora belesa buyo ramakolo thusa bare na nungo dza u kondelela musi hezwo tshikondesa ni farela ndione zwiitesa songo vhuya na laṱa mulenzhe na luthihi ḓuvha ḽa khamo ndi ḽithihi. Don't get me wrong, work for what you need. Zwoṱhe zwi ḓoḓa ni ngo shuma maanḓano oṱhe. Vha nga vha nyefuli bagwi na vhasiku vha litsheni nungoni dzavho. Ini sedzani hune na kanda ni sa ḓo rama tombo na zwitanda. Athi mufunzi asi nṋe murunwa ndo tori ndi ambe ḓuvha ndi ḽithihi vha ḓo soko gabe ngabe maipfi a mpengo.
I fight for my right, and I never give up. I fight to survive. Yeah, I fight for my right, and I never give up. I fight to survive. I'm ready, believe me, I'm ready now.
Sometimes it hurts, even though the answer's written on our face. Sometimes it hurts, even though we all know how to act. Zwina mvula ndi zwone nsongo ḓinyadza, zwina mvula ndi zwone nsongo ḓivhura. Muthu o thoma ndini fhulufhelani, zwi ḓo ni tshimbilela tshilano ndi pho yamu. Nyai ouna ḓithembeni, zwo ndzhiela tshikhala fhedzi ndo zwi vhona. Ndi yone phindulo, talk less about yourself, start to search more about what you want to achieve. Vhutshilo ndi mushumo, what you want after life, you build it now. Careful to create your own hell, but the behavior of today ṱaulela nḓila ndi mbili.
I fight for my right, and I never give up. I fight to survive. Yeah, I fight for my right, and I never give up. I fight to survive. I'm ready, believe me, I'm ready.